For today's exercise, we're looking at a mechanism where we have 3 line segments, and you can clearly see here the line segment O, which is also the center of the imaginary circle, and A, so that is the crank arm that's going to pull AB around. And in the middle of AB we have point D, which is the loci that we have to determine, and then here we have point C, which is going to be the center for line segment CB, and so CB is going to oscillate around point C as the center. It's actually a fairly easy mechanism to do. So to start, all we want to do, we're going to take our compass beforehand and we're going to set it to AB because that arm cannot change its length, and then at the same time I'm also going to take line DB and set my compass at that distance as well. Of course you can measure it. Compasses makes it much quicker. So to start, since AB cannot change its length, it's going to turn clockwise around, so we're going to go from A1 to A2, A3, A4 and so on. So the first thing that you want to do is to divide your circle into segments. So now step 1, you're going to take your compass and you're going to mark it there on the arch, and then you're going to mark that point. So this point here would be B2. So B2 has to go to A2. So this point would be A2 here. So then I'm going to take my pencil and my set square, and I'm simply going to connect A2 to B2. And you can see. So from B2 all the way through to A2. Then we know that the distance from A2 to B2, we also have the loci point that we have to determine. So I'm going to go back to my first arm, BD. So I'm going to take BD from there, and then I'm going to go to B2 and I'm going to mark down D2. And there you can see I'm marking D2 on the new construction line, and then I can go and mark the point. So this would in effect be D2. There it is, D2. So to carry on, we're going to go to point A3, which is here. There's point A3. I'm going to mark it A3. Then I'm going to take my compass again. Again, just as a reminder, that's the distance from A to B. So I set it on A3 and I mark it on the arch. And then I mark B3. Then I take my set square and I connect the 2 points. With a construction, and then I take my compass again and I mark D3, just as a reminder. So from B to D is the same as from B2 to D2, should be the same as B3 to D3. So I mark it there on the construction, and then I mark it there on the line, and that of course would be D3. So now you just follow the same steps for all the other points going round the circle, and then you should be done in a jiffy. Right, so now you can see here, there goes D1, D2, D3, all the way around. Then it makes a strange bend, and it goes round to D11, D12, back to 1. So now all you need to do is to plot the point with the French curve or flexi curve, and you are all done.